So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the LinkedIn newsletter, a powerful tool that can help you to grow your professional network, engaging with your audience, and boost your influence on the world's largest professional platform. In this video, we will show you how you can create a LinkedIn newsletter and explore the incredible benefits it can offer. So, if you're ready to set up your LinkedIn game, hit that like button and let's get started. Now let's get practice. Here is how you can create your LinkedIn newsletter. Here is my LinkedIn profile, and to create a LinkedIn newsletter, what you have to do is click on write article, select your account, and now it's the same as your blog section, but what you have to do is click on manage, click on newsletter, and create a new newsletter. Click on newsletter, and you have to fill up these details in the letter. Select how often you want to publish a newsletter, on daily basis or monthly basis, depends on you. Add a 40 characters description over there. Add a 300 by 300 pixels logo over there. After adding all the details, click on done. Your newsletter has been created. Now select your newsletter, which newsletter you want to publish. Now you have to add the complete details of your newsletter, like graphics, video, title, complete title, description, all the details. And when you publish your first newsletter, all your followers will get notification of your first newsletter. Mainly whenever you publish your newsletter, your followers get notification. It's the main benefit of the LinkedIn newsletters. So how you can check your newsletters? It's my personal marketing updates LinkedIn newsletter. Here you can check that I have published 4 editions and I have 624 subscriber database on my LinkedIn newsletter. So if you want to know what are the benefits of LinkedIn newsletter, LinkedIn account, subscribe my YouTube. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching my video and we will see you in the next part of this video. Bye bye.